Hello everyone, Next Ryan here and welcome to my new video. Since I haven't posted the promising 60 subs special because of instructions and other works like pivot animation, so to speak, I guess it's time to make this video where I could finally talk and showcase my new tablet at the same time. So don't mind my copy voice and copy mic as well as the chirping birds the background since I have 20 of them. Okay, so let's get on with the showcase front of the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Uh, the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite is a batchable version of the Fan Edition and the original or the ordinary Galaxy Tab because this thing costs my tablet costs less due to the promo, which is about the 16,000 pesos or 15,000 pesos. I can I don't know how much because I kind of forget it. The original price is 20 either 20,000 pesos, but I kind of bought it from the we kind of bought it from the promo this promo in the discount itself. So we kind of bought it June, early on June. Uh, the S10 kind of good for artists and writers to move. Oh, sorry. Due to the stylus pen itself, you can either write or draw. Here's how it goes. If you can draw smoothly and type quickly, wait, where is the? You can type quickly like this. It's kind of kind of great because it's quite magnetic and it can connect to the keyboard as much as you want. Or if you want to, or if you want the to do play or just lay flat on the bed, you can take it off and use the keyboard on the screen like this. Sorry, just had the bad, but I just had nervous and thing, but seriously. Uh, since the light itself is 10.9 inch, similar to the each compared to my old tablet from before the A8, which is the 10.5, but do but it's quite a good improvement for users play and to play and write around, but um, it, but you have to keep on the check if you use the stylus pen and wherever you draw or write, because there was a slight offset, like if you see the dots right here, it means it wasn't a fast response to the stylus. And if you unless you can test it on yourself once you buy the S10 Lite, but this one is a different version than the videos before. Uh, what about the gameplay? The gameplay itself is quite okay since you can play either Roblox Art of War 3, Black Fortress 2, or War. You can also play Cytus. Since the screen is 10.9 inch, you can now play on two fingers than on on thumbs. Two or fingers or the thumbs if you take your choice. But if the 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 CPU and the GPU is quite a little decent for casual games like this. It However, if you want to risk your tablet's lifespan, you can go, or just for improvement performance, you can go for the game platform for the performance for to get some of the smoothness of the gameplay. But if you want the power saving yet laggy stuttering constant punishment, you can go for the battery saver. But I kind of recommend the balance, since you can play while still while you can play while preserving the battery for longer while. Oh crap! I think I made the stop. I think my game yung sabihin inverted. Inverse. Oh crap! I think I'm gonna fix this later. However, I kind of messed up my stuff. I kind of messed up my video a little bit, but we have to move on since this is just my first time playing. There we go. Let's try on playing something mass fighting and mass fights, or quite one of the hardest hardest gameplay of the hardest level to it. Hold on. So, let's see how much does it hold, if it actually lags or not, unless if you choose the performance mode to make it smoothly, but kind of like the balance, so it won't fry my tablet that much because it hits a lot. It hits faster because it's all metal and magnetic. Let's try it. Here's the gameplay of the Black Fortress 2, where I could play that much. Really. Since, as you can see, it's kind of a laggy if if you play with so many enemies. But if once you play the survival mode, it's actually a-okay, unless you have to limit your strategy and the numbers of your enemy count as much. Up. Yeah, crap. Serious. I died. But anyways, due to the CPU and GPU be having an recent or either old new chips, it is not quite recommended for quite recommended for AAA games like Call of Duty or Genshin Impact, which is one of the heaviest games I could believe, or I heard from the internet before, due to the heavy amounts of memory to it. Heavy amounts of memory, and it will actually eat the memory from your, it'll render the use of pictures or downloads quite useless for it, or and it commonly makes the tabs to cut off or restart instantly, because you cannot handle, or you cannot handle the hold of many apps and tabs itself. But since you have the tablet, you can be able to play Tetris. You can be able to play Tetris, or use the stylus to play Scribbio or Gartic phone. So kind of makes it quite much fun to play. Uh, However, there was a flaw or cons to it, but that I can't quite catch it for long enough. Do maybe over time the magnetic gets too strong that the screen won't read the stylus as the internet would say. Yeah. But the only the only cons to it is that there was no headphone jack. So I can just jack a I can just jack a stereo plug of the earphones or this. But if I kind of find a Type C cable a Type C cable type of headset, I think I could do a play. I could go for a play time for and for the walkthrough this time. Uh, I don't know if I can use the camera camera as a tool, but I'm not a photographer or have obsessed with. Hold on a minute. Up, on, on. Sorry about that. It's just too loud. I'm not used to using the cameras and all, but if you want to buy something budgetable, if you are an artist or an animator or supposed to be a future animator, you could buy the cheapest option first before having enough money to buy the expensive version or the original version of the Galaxy Tab. And it's kind of good for people with low on budget at the time. I have no words for now, but I guess this is my first time using a voice review for the first time, and the post of the video, but I guess but I think it's kind of all now, so yeah, you know what, anyways, I'm going off the recordings, and I guess thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Peace.